Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. It's been a while we haven't discussed anything about the Israeli Air Force and their plan to induct the replacement helicopters for their current Sikorsky CH-53, whose Israeli version is named as Yasur. These Sikorsky CH-53 were chosen against the Boeing CH-47 Chinook. Israeli Air Force examined both Boeing CH-47 Chinook and Sikorsky CH-53 and went for the latter since it was both larger and stronger. As per Israeli Air Force, these Sikorsky CH-53 will give a major advancement in terms of capability. These choppers were used extensively in many activities and war, and during 2015 it was announced that these choppers would be retired by 2025 tentatively. Even this time, when they went for choosing the replacement, it was again the same two brands, which are Sikorsky and Boeing. This time, the variants which were competing with each other is Sikorsky CH-53K King Stalin and Boeing CH-47F Chinook. The Israeli Air Force were planning to procure approximately 20 helicopters, and as per the review done during February 2021, the Israeli Ministry of Defense announced the selection of CH-53K to replace the current CH-53 Yasur fleet. As per the recent update, the United States State Department has cleared a sale of 18 CH-53K heavy lift helicopters to Israel, which is said to be potentially worth of 3.4 billion US dollars. The deal which was cleared includes the King Stalin helicopters, 60 T408 G400 engines, 36 embedded navigation systems, an unspecified number of GAU-21 .50 caliber machine guns, and also technical support. If these choppers are inducted into Israeli Air Force, it would improve their capability to transport armored vehicles, personnel, and equipment to support distributed operations. So let's expect Israeli Air Force to induct these 18 Sikorsky CH-53K King Stalin heavy lift cargo helicopters and enhance its capability to strengthen its homeland defense. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation updates. Thank you.